The idea of urban planning was trying to make community cohesion. And what really struck me is that in the digital land, nobody's really doing that. It feels like the same kind of strategies that were behind the creation of our city streets and our public parks, that needs a voice within these digital communities. You look in a train, you see that everyone's just staring at their device. What we want to do is make those devices catalysts for real interactions, turning a mobile phone into something that connects you to people rather than disconnects you. We specialize in what's called Web XR, delivering immersive technology via the web to mobile phones without the need for downloading an app. The problem we have with apps is, one, you have to go to an app store. Two, you have to download this big data file. And three, you have to give lots of personal information away. And also, how do you find out about these apps? With Web XR, it's all about having a QR code that can live in the digital world or it can live in the real world. You can be stickers on things. It kind of disrupts the normal way that apps are marketed and distributed. We call the project the Porous Web XR platform. We're using it as an umbrella to actually trial two types of immersive projects. Firstly, working with Aardman, we could immediately see how associating an experience to an IP was a really good way of getting it to cut through. And secondly, could we make our own IP and make something that was so kind of cool and fun, we wouldn't need some sort of famous brand behind it. We have this idea of a game called Big Heads. It's almost like imagining being in a pub and playing a pub game, but everybody's in a different location. We take your head, and then your head becomes the main character in a series of adventures. The way that we can use the technology, ask a friend to join you on a WhatsApp, which has just got a link and then they're straight in, you've suddenly got 3 or 4 people's heads rolling around trying to compete with each other. WebXR is not just about the necessity to download an app. It's also about using web technologies. Social media channels, Instagram or WhatsApp or WeChat in China, they all have an element of web behind them. It allows us to bring these game experience and allow them to live across different channels. When we first discovered about this opportunity with Media City, one of the aims was to try and foster an element of collaboration. We already identified 2 companies in the Manchester area that we felt would provide a real added value of skills that we don't have. Board members of each of those companies helping us with their time mentoring. Manchester is just overflowing with development and tech. It feels like Manchester is really at the heart of everything.